How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Snap-on's new 100th anniversary ratchet. It's a old number 7 replica of one of the first ratchets. It comes free with the new set of hard handle ratchets. So without further ado, here we go. Open this guy up. Nice that it comes packed in protective cellophane. So you get this nice box. Let's see how this guy opens. I've checked them out on the tool truck, but I haven't got to see how the packaging is yet. Nice box with lots of information on it. Limited edition. 100th anniversary. This is a nice leather case. Presentation case. Looks like he has magnet detents. It's pretty nice. Get a little placard here. Maybe a little certificate of authenticity. A little description about it. Nice protective foam. There it is. Old number 7. Oh, he's actually really heavy. Kind of odd, because the one I felt on the tool truck didn't seem that heavy to me. Picking this one up, I'm not sure if the casts are different on some of them, or maybe just in person this feels like a really heavy solid ratchet, which is nice. It doesn't feel just like a cheap replica that's made out of something that you can't actually use. I was told you can actually use this. Sounds like it's at most a 36 tooth, maybe less. Would be interesting to do a tear down. This is a reversible ratchet. This pin flips out. The other way, and you're going the other direction. Feels like it's nice and tight. Pretty heavy anvil. I'd be reluctant to use it under much pressure, but I'll probably use it on something and see how it works. It's interesting that it says patent applied for. They released this guy before they even had the patent, and patent pending wasn't a common phrase at the time. It says Milwaukee. Nice clicky gear set. Really curious if it has how much grease it has in there, how many teeth the gear has. If it's the same, could look up the original, see if it's an improvement or if it's an exact replica of the gear set that came with it. Definitely an interesting way of reversing your ratchet. The box is really nice with the green. I was also told by the tool truck guy that originally they had on the Ford early Model Ts all green felt with cutouts where the tools would sit. They'd open up a tray and display all their tools. So they went with an original display for their original ratchet. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is what you get for your new 100th anniversary commemorative ratchet. When you pick up a set of the hard handle 3/8 and quarter drive set. It's pretty nice, pretty good deal. Alright, guys, hope you enjoyed.